All right, here we're in Parker Living today to talk about office chairs. We have lots of different office chairs, lots of different options. We kind of just want to shoot this to kind of show you how many different option chairs we have. So we have some with the old Mondo fabric, the fluffy fabric, super comfortable swivel chair, to a fabric lower back swivel chair, lots of different colors, armless, armed, standard polyester fabrics. And then we come in here and we have some leathers, some faux leathers, arms, fixed arms, loose back arms, adjustable arms, swivel, all sorts of different options. So if you're looking for an office chair, you want a large variety of a real quality office chair, look no further than Parker Living. High quality furniture, high quality office chairs, lots of options.